Y'all, this is Set to Achieve. Welcome to another video. And today I just want to kind of give you a wake-up call to kind of like ring a bell in your head to try to, maybe motivate you. Please, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, leave your comments, guys. And let's talk about this, guys. Stop being scared to film. Pick up your phone, guys. A phone, you pay for your phone each month. Maybe you're doing a family share plan. Maybe you're doing whatever plan, guys, and you're paying for your phone each month. Why not go ahead and start filming, guys? Because everything is content. Everything is content. Just go film. Pick up your phone and film. Literally, guys, I've been on YouTube for the past decade, I would say, okay? And I was kind of, I would film here, I would film there, not being consistent. Guys, when I started being consistent in the last like 1 month, I got monetized. I got monetized, guys, in 20 days compared to 10 years, guys, because I was not taking filming. I was not taking content creation seriously, guys. Guys, content creation can literally replace your 9-to-5 job on the real. I am being so serious. Grab that phone and film. Last week, I was sitting down in my bedroom office, just chilling because it was 1 degree out here in Chicago and I could not go anywhere. I could not do anything. The kids were off of school because they canceled school because it was so cold. Guess what happened? I'm sitting down in my bedroom office, just on my computer, just chilling. And guess what? I had 3 payments coming in from digital marketing. Passive income. Okay? Because I picked up my phone and I was not scared to film. By the way, I have the multiple stream masterclass bundle teaching you how I'm able to make money apart from a 9-to-5. It includes digital marketing, how to make money, passive income just sitting at home, and then I also have delivery apps for those that want to do delivery. I have my middleman business and all of that, guys. But it includes the passive riches bundle teaching you how to do digital marketing effectively, posting on social media, doing your hashtags, doing your hooks, guys. Everything is there, okay? It's only $49.99. I'm going to leave the link in the description, okay? Don't be afraid. Everything is content, guys. Content creation is going to, like, literally, like, in the next, I think actually, really, for a lot of people, content creation has already, like, literally replaced your 9-to-5. You don't have to trade time for money anymore. If you pick up your phone, whether you're in the airport, whether you're in the, on the train station, whether you're just sitting in the park, guys, pick up your phone and film. People want to hear what you have to say. Okay? Stop thinking that, and stop being shy, guys. Nobody cares about you the way you think that they care about you. Nobody's helping you pay your bills, guys. I just got monetized, guys, and I'm looking at on my YouTube earnings, and I'm already seeing the money accumulating from the videos that I'm doing. That's another stream of income. Another stream of income, guys. Okay, there's money out here to be made, but stop being shy. Oh, my grandma will look at me. My uncle will look. Are these people paying your bills, guys? They don't care. People don't care about you the way you think. Okay, that is a lie from the devil. Okay, grab that phone and film. Put it on Instagram. Put it on Facebook. Start a YouTube channel. You don't know how many people are out there that are your exact situation, but they have nobody to connect with. They will connect with you and they will buy your products. They will subscribe to your channel. They will watch your videos and help your watch time hours. Guys, if you want to be on YouTube, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Guys, if you have one video that goes viral, like the one video that I did, well, actually 2 videos, but the one that went semi-viral and the one that went viral, that completely made me, I think it gave me like 10,000 watch hours within that like 3 weeks. Guys, everything is content creation, guys. You don't have to slave in a 9-to-5 anymore. Not in this digital era. The digital marketing industry is I think almost like $1 billion industry. Think about how much you can make. Guys, stop being afraid to film. Like literally last week, I was able to make like close to like, I think it was over like 500 from my stamp store, just from people purchasing my multiple stream masterclass bundle. People were purchasing like back to back to back. Okay? Because I decided to film and put myself out there. Now, I know there's faceless marketing and everything, but why would you not want to connect? Why would you not want to show your face? Because your face is your brand, it's your personality, guys. Learn how to make money by filming yourself. There are platforms like YouTube that will pay you for just being yourself. People want to know how you're doing. People want to know how tired you are, or how you, how you related to your coworkers, or how you dealt with a narcissistically abusive situation. Guys, I left nursing in 2020. Okay, I carved a path for myself. I listened to the voice of God that was speaking to me that I could do better, be better, and have better. And today I'm doing just that. Okay, connecting with people all over the world via social media, via my phone. Guys, pick up your phone and film. Talk about your life. Talk about your whatever you're going through. Talk about it, because there's somebody out there that is sitting in their house in the corner of the world somewhere and want to hear what you have to say, because they're going through the exact same thing that you're going through, guys. They're going through the exact same thing. Okay? Pick up your phone and start filming. People don't care about you the way you think. It could possibly pay your bills. That 9 to 5, that toxic workplace, dealing with them coworkers that you don't like. You can avoid all that when you start filming. I was like you before. Oh, they're going to look at me. At this point, I don't care, because none of those people are paying my bills. They're not paying my bills. It doesn't matter what anybody thinks. Just be you and talk about your life. Talk about what has worked for you. Okay? You can put it together and create a digital product, guys. Whether it's a recipe, whether it's how to lift weights, the exact amount to build strong biceps, how to put a business together, how to plan, how to market, whatever it is that somebody needs what you have to offer. So even if you're just putting out the video, you can make money on YouTube. If you're serious about being consistent and getting monetized. Guys, when I started posting at least once a day on YouTube, that's when everything kind of like skyrocketed and the momentum built. But I was posting maybe once every 2 weeks, once here, one there. Nothing happened. But being that fear is taking so much. You have no idea how much that fear is stripping from you and is taking from you. Stop being afraid. What are you afraid of? Everybody has a story. You might be thinking that your story is boring, or you will be surprised. You will be surprised, guys. The video that I did that is at like 93,000 views, or I think 94,000 views right now. I just started talking about my journey, living nursing and starting delivery driving and all of that. And I didn't know it would blow up so big and so fast. Stop being afraid of film. Okay? There's somebody that is going to be able to relate to what you're talking about. It doesn't matter if you're a carpenter, you're a secretary, you're a nurse, you're a delivery driver, you work at Amazon, you work at Walmart. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Somebody's going to relate. Just talk about your experience. Talk about your struggles. Talk about your victories. Talk about all the things that make you you. People are tired of all that robotic talk, sounding like you're a robot or reading from a teleprompter. People are tired. People just want you to just be. People go on YouTube and all of these social media apps to decompress. They had a long day. They just want to scroll through and see somebody that they can connect with, somebody that they can get motivation. People are coming to these platforms to take. They want to be entertained. They want to be motivated. They want to be educated. They want to learn, right? And you can be that person. You can be that tool. And while you're doing that and helping people, you can start making money. There's money to be made, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. I wasted like 10 good years because I didn't see YouTube as a way to make money. I didn't see social media as a way to monetize. I was like, I just post because I was, I had a mobile hair business. I would post my little like hair techniques here and there. Like sometimes when I would do my daughter's hair or so, I would just post like little videos here and there, but not being consistent, not seeing it. Guys, when you start seeing YouTube as a way to like literally like replace your job, because there's people making thousands here on YouTube, okay? They don't have a job. That's all they do is content creation. If you start seeing content creation, whether you're posting on YouTube, whether you're posting on Facebook, whether you're posting on Instagram, and start taking it seriously, guys, your life will change for the better, okay? Just talk about whatever it is that you talk about and everything, and monetize it. You don't even have to wait for YouTube to monetize you. Guys, I started making money, okay, with my digital marketing way before YouTube monetized me. I just got monetized like within the past week. I'm still getting my documents together, verifying my ID and all those different things so that I can, start getting the money that I'm collecting from the videos and the ads. So what happens with the ads is that they have a partnership program that as you put out your videos and everything, and it's it's monetized, or you click for it to be monetized, because you are already monetized or approved for the partnership program. When the advertisers place the ads on the video, right, and people watch the ads, right, they pay you and YouTube gets its own portion. Okay, so it's like a revenue sharing. Okay, it's like a middleman type thing. I run a middleman business, so I know all about that. Okay, whereby, but for me, with my middleman business, I share, I network with like local businesses like around me, cleaning businesses, lawn care businesses, all window cleaners, like, all the services that are provided, right? So I specifically have a middleman cleaning business where I network with service providers in the area, right? And then when I get a customer, I book them and I send them to the middleman, and I get paid, they get paid. So it's a win-win. It's the same thing with YouTube, okay? But guys, start taking content creation seriously, guys. Your life is gonna change. Guys, don't let 2025 be like 2024 and all the previous years before. Guys, take advantage of the digital marketing era, the digital marketing industry, guys. There is so much information out there, and people are willing to pay. Guys, attention is money. That's the reason why when people watch the ads, you get paid on YouTube, because attention is money. Don't be afraid to start loosen yourself up, shake yourself up, guys. Shake it up. Shake it up and dust off the fear, because the fear does not pay bills. If you're looking for a way to break out of a 9-to-5, the rat race, living from paycheck to paycheck, why not start digital marketing? Why not start creating content? Why not start using your phone that you're paying for anyway? Why not start? What are you waiting for? Start making content. Put it on YouTube. You can do short form content on Instagram, or you can do shorts on YouTube. 20, 30, 1 minute videos. I think they have longer shorts now. Guys, put yourself out there. There's money to be made. Okay? The worst thing that will keep you down is worrying about the opinion of others. That's what kept me in nursing for 10 years. When I was depressed, when I was burnt out, when I was overwhelmed, when I was stressed out. I stayed because of what people would think. Until I was like, you know what, finally, forget it. I left. Before I left, I started doing delivery. I started doing DoorDash, got familiar with, started getting some income. And from there, I kept building. But how will you get anywhere if you don't start? You're too scared. You're fearful about what people that don't pay your bills, what they think, people on the outside. If somebody, maybe one of your relatives, see it and make a rude comment, just block them. Guys, this is our time, okay? Start creating content. Start putting things out there. Guys, there are so many things that you can monetize. Your talent, your knowledge can bring you money, guys. Take it from me, okay? I'm marketing my multiple stream masterclass bundle, including 72 different apps where you can start getting started with delivery. Well, if you're trying to break out of your 9-to-5, so 72 different apps includes what else? 72 different apps. It includes the Passive Riches bundle, how to make money with digital marketing. That includes 8 guides that are customizable. You can resell it. You can so it's already done for you. So if you wanna, if you're saying, well, I don't have anything to sell, you can do a done for you. So I have that in my multiple stream masterclass bundle. Guys, everything is $49.99. Okay, so the Passive Riches Bundle teaches you how to market, launch, and sell digital products online effectively and start making money. You can start making money today. Okay, and then where I sell my digital products is on Stan Store. Okay, Stan Store has a 2-week trial. You can get started. Okay, it has a 2-week trial. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Okay, guys, you need to change your mindset, okay? Because once you change your mindset, things are gonna start happening for you, okay? Stop fearing. People do not matter, okay? Their opinion. Everybody has an opinion, okay? If they have such a strong opinion, let them start their own YouTube channel. Let them start on Instagram and put out their opinions, okay? But don't let anybody else's opinion hinder your life, keep you stuck. Especially your family members. Those are the worst ones. Because everybody got something to say. This is your life. Okay? You're the only one that can make a change in your life. Okay? So don't let anybody keep you stuck and stagnant. Okay? And in bondage. Alright? Everything is content, guys. And the whole 9-to-5 rat race thing is to me is getting phased out. Okay, content creation is the new 9-to-5. Start taking it as a business. Start taking it seriously. Start posting consistently and see how fast you're gonna grow. Okay, and don't worry about if you stutter in a video, if you make a mistake, if you didn't do something right or do something wrong. It does not matter because people are watching you because they want to see imperfection. They want to see you. They don't want a teleprompter. They don't want a robot. They want a person. Okay. So whether you're crying or you're jumping or you're happy or you're laughing, it's all you and it's all content. It's all content, guys. Break out of the whole fear, guys, because fear will not get you anything. It will not get you paid. It will keep you limited. It will keep you stuck. Okay, break out, shake out, maybe before you do a video, do some shakes or some jumping jacks and shake around, run around your house a little bit, right? So you can warm up. See the camera as your best friend or your sister or your brother and just be yourself. Okay, be yourself, shake out of it. Okay, but fear will get you nowhere. It will get you nowhere and fast. Okay? All right, guys, this is just a motivation type video because I know how long and how badly fear kept me down. Okay? And it kept me there. Just very, very recently, I started taking steps because I was like, you know what? Forget it. When I did my video that went viral, talking about nursing to delivery driver, okay, a family member of mine, told me that, hey, don't put that kind of stuff out there. It's going to discourage people. No, this is my story. This is my story. Okay? So people are going to say whatever and everything. If you feel like they're hindering you, stop talking to them. Block them or stay away, okay? But don't let anybody hinder you, okay? All right? Guys, this is 2025 and we're here to thrive. We're here to do better, be better, have better, and let's go for it, guys. Okay? People don't care about you as much as you think, And even the ones that claim or act like they care about you or whatever and everything, a lot of times it's just because they want to control you. It's all about control. That's another video, okay? But guys, like this video, share, leave your comments, guys. And if you're ready to start a YouTube game and start making money, put it in the description, okay? Put I'm starting, okay? Let's go, guys. Let's go, all right? Share, leave your comments, guys. Like the video to share to more people, and let's go.